Hi everyone, so today I'm going to teach you the fastest and easiest way to find the equation of a line which is parallel to a given equation and passes through a given point. So the question goes this way. Consider the line given by the equation 4x minus 2y equals 6. Find the equation of the line that is parallel to this line and passes through the point 1 and negative 3. Write your answer in standard form. Okay, we have four options here. So to solve this problem quickly, we are not going to convert this equation into the slope-intercept form to find the slope. Rather, we are just going to uh, write the equation, which is 4x minus 2y equals 6. So we are going to copy the left side of the equation and then equals 4 multiplied by the x coordinate, which is 1, copy the sign, minus 2 multiplied by the y coordinate. Simplifying, we have 4x minus 2y equals, this is 4 negative times negative, that is positive, positive 6. Hence, the final answer is 4x minus 2y equals 10. So the final answer is, or the correct answer is letter A. Okay.